How to create stickers on Canva to sell in Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to create stickers on Canva to sell in Etsy. So ever since in 2022, digital stickers have been growing big in online business. So as you can see here in the Etsy website, you can see this digital stickers available for all the people who would want to avail. So, in order for you to create your own sticker using Canva, the first step is, of course, we go to the Canva website. So, we're going to create our custom size depending on your desired size for your digital sticker download. So, in my case, this is going to be my canvas size. Now we're here on our canvas. I'm going to name this file as digital stickers. So here I'm going to type in the title, which digital stickers, and my theme. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a title of the sticker pack. So the title I'm going for is digital stickers, and then the theme is going to be summer. So here I'm going to type in the title, in which is the digital stickers, and my theme is going to be summer. So here I'm just finding out the right font, the right vibes for my sticker pack. So now that we're done with the title for the digital sticker, so to start off, we can choose our sticker right here in the elements on Canva, located at the left side. So in here, I'm just going to click elements and I'm just going to search summer here. So I'm gonna go ahead with this element, the shades one. I'm just going to decorate it with words related to summer. So here I'm showing you how I do it. Finding the perfect font that fits the vibe. So here I'm going to type cool. So I typed in here cool because I'm going to put cool vibes since there is this shades going on, and in summer we always wear shades. So once you're done with your sticker design, you'll select all the subject and group them, then save it as PNG. So once saved, you're going to download it and just crop the unnecessary space of this image. So in this next step, to be able to make this as a sticker, we're going to edit our downloaded photo of the sticker we just made. So here we're going to the edit photo and then we go to the effects and go to shadows. So click on shadows and click glow. So what we're going to do here is to increase its intensity and put the blur to the lowest amount. So after that, you will go to the size where you can adjust the outline depending on your preference. So that's how to make a sticker. So I'm going to show you another one, same method as well. So here I'm making this ball design, this beach ball. So I'm playing with words, so I'm putting let's play. So here I'm just designing it on how I want it. So I won't be showing the rest of the video of me making all the stickers for this digital sticker, since the method will be just the same as what I did in the first one. So you just apply it to your other designs and so on. You can create your design as well if you want an original one of your work. So all you have to do is just upload your design here in Canva and then apply the method I did to put a white outline to make it as a sticker. So this is how my digital sticker pack looks like. So this is how you make your own stickers using Canva. So that's about it, guys. I hope you learn from this tutorial and be able to make your own stickers. So this is how my digital sticker pack looks like. So this is how you make your own stickers using Canva. So that's about it, guys. I hope you learn from this tutorial and be able to make your own stickers. That's about it, guys. I hope you learn from this tutorial and be able to make your own stickers. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.